So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting a little pop-up inside of Snapchat that's basically telling you that Snapchat service is unavailable. So this is a very, very easy thing to fix. So if you're getting a pop-up that looks something like this, so if you're going to take a look at the images, basically the first thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and just making sure that your particular Wi-Fi is perfectly working. Sometimes your Wi-Fi might be the issue, your Wi-Fi, your internet connection, whatever you have. So what you're going to want to do is just make sure those things are perfectly working. Sometimes if you're going through and connecting to a certain Wi-Fi connection, whatever, there can be lots of issues there. So just double, triple, quadruple check that your particular internet connection is perfectly fine, that there's no problems there, and that's the very, very first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be the issue, the next thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is to just literally go through and with this little panel right here where it says, I get an error message logging into Snapchat, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically just make sure that these particular things right here, if it's a particular error that you're getting, you want to follow these instructions to basically fix it. So if it's a service unavailable issue, most of the time this is happening is because Snapchat might be having an issue as well. So what you're going to want to do here is you may just want to just go to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of these types of websites that will basically show you what's up and what's down. And all you're going to have to do here is basically just double check and just triple check to see if Snapchat is actually down. So if Snapchat is down, it's going to be one of these first couple ones. So if Snapchat is one of the first ones, you're pretty much again just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. Now what you can also try doing as well is to just see if Snapchat has an update. So make your way over into their app store like this, tap in this little panel down there, and all you're going to want to do is just type in Snapchat. So you can type in Snapchat just like so. Click on the Snapchat right here, and all you're going to want to do is just click on update. That's another way to basically fix this problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.